To make a Gulf design, let's start off by making a spiral. After a spiral, I'm going to outline it with humps. After creating humps, I'm going to make filled fat humps. Give it an outline. An outline again, and we're going to fill these humps up again, keeping in mind that the width and the height are equal. Fill these up. Once you perfect how to do this, there's another way of making this pattern. Instead of giving outlines first, what you can do is you start off with a line and then you increase the pressure slowly, 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 making it fat. And then when you're going down, you decrease the pressure. And here you have a leaf, a rounded leaf. Let's repeat the steps all over. However, if you feel that you're not so confident with the pressure of the line, you can stick to the outlines instead. This is our first element, which is completed. Now, according to our Gulf design principles, the second element surrounds the first element. So let's make a spiral here. I'm going to surround this spiral with with humps. Let's do another layer of humps. And then let's do bigger humps. Let's do another second element, maybe somewhere here. This time I'm going to make a circle, a fill one inside. Probably give it 3 outlines. And then make humps. After making humps, I'm going to make dots. And then just outline those dots. Let's put another second element all the way here. This time, I'm going to use the teardrop shape. It's important that you keep adding variations to your design. This adds more depth as well as make it look more interesting and intricate. I've got humps all over it. I'm going to draw tiny dots, giving it an outline of dots. And then create humps again all over the pattern. This is how the design looks so far. Now I'm going to switch to the third element, which were these, and I'm going to create bunches of these all over. So let's start from over here. I'm going to create a spiral and humps. As these occur in bunches, So let's have another one. Let's have another one. And then I think I'm going to have another one over here. Looks good so far. Let's move on to this space over here. Now I'm going to add the teardrop shaped ones. We've got one here. Let's add one over here. And then let's add one here. If you want, you can add 2, 3 more too. But I feel like this is enough. Now let's add some here. Create a spiral. Add fat humps. And then just give it an outline. Let's do another one here. Spiral, fat humps, outline. Let's add another one here. This is how it looks so far. Now it's totally up to you. If you want to increase the size, you surely can. However, if you think that your bunch is completed, you can just leave it like that and add the fourth element as the ending. I'm going to complete this design by adding the fourth element. The fourth elements were leaves, teardrops in different sizes and variations, chained lines, live vines with leaves. Let's do that here. Maybe I want it a bit pointier on this side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a vine here with a leaf, and I'm just going to draw leaves all over it. I'm thinking I should do the same on this side too to make it symmetrical, but it's totally up to you. I think I'm going to add one here, but this time I want it to be a chained vine. So I've got a dot in the middle and with sides getting small of dots. Same goes here, and then maybe like a leaf on top. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to draw a paisley, a leaf inside, another leaf in another direction, maybe a dot here. I'm going to work all the way till there. So another paisley on this side. Maybe I can draw a bigger one on top of it like that. A leaf, another leaf. Now let's add 2 tiny circles with one is chained. Paisley, leaf, leaf on the other side. Maybe a small leafy vine here. Teardrop shapes. Leaves, 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 and a dot. So I'm going to do all of this on this side as well. And we're done with the Gulf bunch. This is how it looks so far.